You know, they have a lot of employees. They also had some very heavy technological needs for their labs. That's what they wanted to do with this project. They wanted to create something that was unique, you know, that reflected their stature within their industries.
The GNPO is Global and National Product Offering, and it's the facility where they are able to actually build prototypes based on new engineering, new concepts, new ideas that are actually developed here in the other facility at the Merchandise Mart by their engineering team.
We would go out to Libertyville to meet with the lab managers and help kind of extract all that information that's up in these guys' minds and put it onto paper. And working with ESD Engineering, who is ultimately responsible for getting all that stuff on the paper, it helped with having Skender Construction being present because we could speak from a construction mindset and make sure that everything that was being conveyed and put on paper was constructible and buildable and was going to work in the end result.
Well, Motorola has a lot of highly technical and complex equipment that's going in this facility.
Well, the very first thing that we did after meeting the engineering and architectural and the construction team was actually going out to Motorola facilities to really see what their operation was like.
GNPO was probably one of the most complex MEP projects I've done in my 27 years of construction. Huge, very intense systems. Well, one of the things is very unique about GNPO is they have a lot of specialized equipment, a lot of specialized requirements for that equipment, whether it's nitrogen, compressed air, power requirements. One of the things that we did up front is we went right to our client.
This equipment operates this way. This equipment has to be placed in a sensitive area. We actually had them run some of the machinery so we could feel the vibration, and that proved to be extremely helpful.
We almost constructed a brand new floor on top of a single-story building. We had upwards of 25,000 square feet of structural roof frames that we had to build that were built on existing foundations that needed to be reinforced. We were taking down structural walls and having to reinforce those openings. So I think that was our biggest challenge.